We're continuing with our orientation for our Outlook class, and we were talking about the tasks that you're going to need to do as you work through the training. And so we stopped at reply, but you can see that you can forward a message, delete a message, save, apply a theme, attach a file. So all of these are the list. So take a look. It goes through all of the questions for that first one, through 1 through 16. These are the questions, and you need to follow the instructions, and it tells you to attach a file, and then it tells you what you need to do. And it gives you different methods that you can apply. So you want to go through all of the training and make sure you get 100%, all right, before you go on to your next part. So complete the training until you get 100%. I'm going to close out the training because we're not going to do the training. All right. After you complete the training, you also have a quiz and you also have a lab assignment. So you can do the lab assignment, then the quiz, or vice versa. It's up to you. This is your activity list. Gives you an idea of all the things that you're going to have to do as a student and the due dates, all right, that we have this available and what the due date is, all right? And so you want to do that. Under your grade book, this will help you out a little bit. And let me go to our section, which is going to be Summer Online. You will see that these are your assignments. So you have 6 training. Under your quizzes, it has your 6 quizzes there, or your 5 quizzes, excuse me, not 6. All right, here's your discussion board. Here are your lab assignments, all right, that you will need to do. So it gives you a list of each one of these. Also on your site, I don't have it on my site, you also have another tab that says Dropbox. The Dropbox is where you're going to upload your lab assignments. You're going to do those lab assignments in Microsoft Outlook, and then you're going to upload the PDF file or a PST file, which is an Outlook file, and you're going to upload that to your Dropbox. I don't have a Dropbox because I'm the instructor, and this is an instructor site, so I don't have the tab, but it's just click on Browse, and you just upload the file once you save it. So you can save the file to your desktop and then upload it. So that's just your activity calendar, and this is your activity list. All right, and on the calendar, basically, it gives you all of the due dates of everything you need to do in SAM. So you have your training, you have your exams, and you go to the next month, you will see the same thing. That's in June. Then July, you're going to see the same thing, your exams and your training. All of those are in SAM, and you will see all of the exams and training, and the red means that those are the due dates. So you'll be doing the exams, the training in SAM. You will go into, and let's go back to Canvas, into the course itself is where you will complete your quizzes. So I'll go back to Outlook so you can see. This is where you'll complete your quizzes. This is where you'll complete your discussion boards. And under your SAM Dropbox, you'll have a tab for that. That's where you will upload your lab assignments. And so pretty much each week, you have 1 week per chapter. There's only 5 chapters in the book. So you should be able to get through this pretty rapidly, where that you just read the book, you go through the textbook, look at the PowerPoint, go through the training until you get everything correct. Remember, you can repeat it before the due date. You can repeat it multiple times, get 100%, then take your quiz. I believe there's 2 chances for the quiz, which is great. Usually I don't do that, but I give you 2 chances for the quizzes. Then do your lab assignment, upload that. I will grade your lab assignment, and then do your SAM exam. And that's for each week. So you'll see that we will begin with email. We'll go to calendar. We'll go to contacts. We'll do tasks, and then we'll do customize. Your final exam is going to be on the last day of the course. And so going to the July and then to August, Your final exam, you can only do it one time. Once you start it, you must complete it. You cannot start the final exam and then say, okay, I'm going to shut it down and come back later. Can't do that. Once you start that final exam, you must complete all those questions, and you have only one submission. So make sure you get that done, all right, for your chapter. And that's pretty much the course. Outlook is not a difficult course. It's just covering the major parts of it in which you learn how to use email. Most of you use email already, but it gives you more about email. Calendar will allow you to set up meetings and, of course, due dates for things that you need to do on a day-to-day basis. If you get to contacts, contacts will go through how to set up contacts, how to email from contacts, so you'll learn that information. Tasks, you'll learn how to use tasks and how to create tasks, how to close out tasks. And under customize, you'll learn how to customize your Outlook and changing the colors and more of putting signature lines in your email, changing colors, themes, and that sort. So you have a lot to do in practicing, and you'll find that that Outlook is really a great scheduling time management program. So take your time as you're going through the chapters. Our only contact pretty much will be through email. If I need to do another video, I'll do another video. I used to do CC Confer per week, but since we have the PowerPoint, the chapters, and also in SAM you have multiple practices, we found that that was just a little bit cumbersome for the students to try to set aside a time for us to meet. And so that's why I do the orientation video, send you the orientation video. I'm going to save the orientation videos and upload them into Microsoft, up to Canvas, excuse me, and I'll upload under our announcements. So under announcements, you'll see both of the orientation videos, so that'll be there all the time if you need to go back through what it is that we need to do. Good luck. Have a wonderful time in the course. I'm Dr. Rhoda James. Have a good evening and day.